Hi, family. So I just thought I should do this vlog, day in the life of a preacher. So I started in church. This is me and Pendulo and Miss Mtombeni. We're getting ready to go and wash the tent. That's basically how our day started. Yep. And then this is us. Sipizila. We are loading the drums so that we can put water and stuff and stuff. Then eventually we get to the place where we're gonna wash the tent, and then see Dolana. And then of course we're at the place organizing water to wash the tent. That time we are still going to the night prayer, 12 hours of prayer. Yes, we say busy organizer to get the thing to open the water. There's this spanner thing that you need to open the lento yamanzle. Then guess yafika manje siyabathola, and we meet these young men here, and they are so nice to us. Mntombeni ubanikeza 10 rand, ababonga. They are so cool. And then this is us busy learners organize amanzi so that we can wash the tent. And it's so much fun, and I got to spend time with Mr. Mtombeni and get to know him better. What a great man of God. Yeah, well, the reason I record this thing, I'm trying to show you that I'm so lazy because I'm wondering, okay, then sesiyawasha ke manje yithi laba siyawasha siyaxoxa kumnandi. We're talking about church, we're talking about life, about marriage, about so many different things. It's like a therapy session. So cool. But I feel like we needed more hands, which unfortunately were at work and we didn't have enough, but we tried. Then we are done, and then we are offloading things, and now I'm already panicking. Be ready for the night prayer, and which was starting at 7 p.m. until 7 a.m. Yeah, and I just met this gentleman right here, and a wonderful gentleman who offered to help us. I don't just preach, but I also labor, Yes. And then this is me now getting ready to go back home. Sengiyapanika ke manje ngoba isikhathi 6:04. Alright, we are back esontweni sesiqalile. By the grace of God, abazalwane say they started the prayer, and kuyasiza ukuba nama leaders that will help do the work in partnership with you. Lana at some point ngizwile ukuthi yamakhaza. Okay, part 2 is going to be coming. God bless you.